At least to protect the order of Mr. Suresh Gopi.
No, this is...
Please.
No.
No, John.
Sir, according to the Treasury benches, according to Tiwari Saab, India has become a paradise. No more issues, no unemployment, no price rise, according to them. Sir, you had been kind enough to tweet about Kerala. When you visited Kerala, you were completely, actually enchanted by the beauty of Kerala. The Prime Minister also, when he came to Kerala, talked about the beauty of Kerala. He came for the election campaign of Mr. Suresh Gopi. Sir, in this budget, Honorable Finance Minister declared many tourism circuits. I thought that the Finance Minister would respect you, at least one tourism circuit to Kerala. I thought the Finance Minister would respect my dear friend Suresh Gopi, because he has already promised many tourism circuits in Kerala, at least to protect the order of Mr. Suresh Gopi. If one circuit were to be declared by the Finance Minister, we would have been happy. I am so sad to say that my friend Mr. Suresh Gopi has been completely humiliated by the Finance Minister.
John,
Sir,
John.
I'm not yielding. Sir, now I'm not yielding. Sir, my time 15 minutes ago. Mr. Suresh Gopi, you can stand up and speak as a minister later on. Sir, ये दो मामला है. One is unemployment, second is price rise. ये हिंदी में ये बोल रहे हैं महंगाई. अरे महंगाई का मतलब क्या है भाई साहब? मैंगो नहीं ये महंगाई. अब्दुल वहाब साहब सोच रहे तो मैंगो है, महंगाई है. Sir, what do you mean by महंगाई? Two facets to this issue. One is that the prices of the essential commodities going up. People cannot afford to buy things. Sir, today the newspapers are reported. Vegetable thali's price went up by 11%. Within a month. Why I am referring to vegetable thali is because number 1 and number 2 have only vegetable. That's why I won't say A1 and A2. मैं छोड़ दिया A1 A2. अभी number 1 number 2. I will not refer to non-vegetarian. Within a month, sir, within a month. Now, महंगाई का another facet क्या है, sir?
So this
the purchasing power of the people are going down.
John,
That's why.
John,
Yes,
you are
sir.
making a good address.
Thank you, sir. That's why. First is that the price is going up. Second is that.
What you said, that part is
Please
deleted.
pause, sir. Please
Go
pause.
ahead.
Yeah, please pause.
That part is deleted.
20 seconds. Sir, so you should understand the essence, the meaning of Mangai means the prices going up, simultaneously the purchasing power of the people going down. That is it. If you understand the meaning of Mangai, you would not have presented a budget like this in the parliament. Second, sir, unemployment, sir. I thought after this drubbing they got in the elections, at least in UP, they would present a people-friendly budget. मैंने सोचा था, sir. You also must have expected. I am sure about it. You are such a seasoned statesman. Sir, what has happened, sir?
I very strongly beg to differ with all that has been thrown on my finance minister as well as the Modi ji government. With regards to, I beg to differ because he has spoken untruth. Talking about the budget which is on and on which we are still discussing, the next budget is not so very far away. It's only 6 months or less than 6 months away. And there are more budgets to come also. You were telling the people of Kerala that you can lose hope. No, this is,
Please.
no.
No, John, let the minister continue. Please.
I'm
Honorable Minister,
answering
look
to
at me.
your allegations.
Look at me.
Through you, sir, I'm just putting answers to his allegations, which are fake, I need to tell you. We are envisaging a major spiritual network running from Tamil Nadu into Kerala. The project is in design, and since it's a state subject, let us see, after we project this idea, whether the state government will loyally come forward and support us in having this effectively placed.
Thank you.
Again, referring to what was the comment of our environment minister,
He will reply.
he will reply.
He will intervene.
But then the onus is on me as well. The kind of damages done to pristine locations belonging to the tourism projects or locations. Pristine locations. Like for one instance, I will quote Varkala. What have the local administration in Varkala done to a major pristine location which is a tourism ideal for the whole of Kerala? The Pabanasham beach. What is the condition? I would request you, whether the state government or the local self-government have crossed lines set by, warning lines set by the Department of Geology. All these things have to be taken into account. I don't want to put it on record, but I would request the Honorable Chairman to send a team. The left government and also the Congress government. Sir, I am not talking about
Please,
budget.
please.
It's only a reply.
Address me.
Through you, sir. You have to send a team, inspect
You made your point.
how the environment structure has been ruptured.
Honorable Environment
in Kerala.
Minister. You made your point. Honorable, you want to say something?
सर, माननीय सदस्य ने 3 बिंदु रखे। पहला इंटेंशन का, दूसरा अनपार्लियामेंट्री वर्ड का और तीसरा फैक्ट्स जो मेरे को आपके सामने रखने चाहिए। जहाँ तक इंटेंशन की बात है, मैं इस हाउस के सामने बड़ी ईमानदारी के साथ केरला में जो घटना घटी है उसमें जो मृतक हैं, जो गरीब मरे हैं, जो माइग्रेंट लेबर मरे हैं, मैं उसके प्रति पूरी संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं और मैं इस दुर्घटना से पूरी संवेदना के साथ, मैं नहीं, ये पूरा हाउस पूरी संवेदना रखता है।
All sides.
ऐसे में उनका ये कहना कि मैंने केरला के लोगों का इंसल्ट किया है, ये पेज 217 पे अनपार्लियामेंट्री वर्ड में इस तरह की इंटेंशन को जानबूझ करके कहना अनपार्लियामेंट्री, उसको डिलीट करना चाहिए। तीसरा विषय फैक्ट्स क्या है। वो जो एरिया है वो पर्यावरण की दृष्टि से अति संवेदनशील नदी के प्रवाह क्षेत्र का एरिया है। पिछले 10 साल में कोई एक फॉरेस्ट क्लियरेंस हुई, वो भी सैद्धांतिक तौर पे केवल 17 हेक्टेयर में टनल बनाने के लिए हुई। कोई केंद्र सरकार ने कोई परियोजना पे स्वीकृति नहीं दी। केरला सरकार ने पिछले 3 साल में 3 माइनिंग लीज दी और अतिरिक्त माइनिंग का वहाँ पर लगातार खनन हो रहा था, जिसके कारण इलीगल जो ह्यूमन हैबिटेट था जिसकी लगातार अवहेलना की गई, इलीगल स्ट्रक्चर बनाए गए जिसकी अवहेलना की गई, इलीगल माइनिंग की गई। और ये कोई मेरा विषय नहीं है। जब मेरे से पूछा तो कई समाचार पत्रों में ये लगातार समाचार आए हैं और इसलिए केरला सरकार को इस पे संवेदनशीलता से काम करना चाहिए और कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी को इस पे राजनीति नहीं करनी चाहिए।
श्री सतनाम सिंह संधू, 10 minutes.
बहुत बहुत